Let's explore solving an equation involving division. Let's solve the equation x divided by 2 equals 8. It's helpful to think of this as a fraction. Instead of x divided by 2, since a fraction is a division problem, we're going to write this as x over 2. That means the same thing as x divided by 2, or think of half of an x, and set this equal to 8. Okay, so we have two equivalent equations here. What I would like to do is to undo the division by 2. We're going to undo it because we want to get x by itself. We want a whole x, not a half of an x. The opposite of division is multiplication. So to undo the divided by 2, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. Multiplying 2 times 8 on the right is very simple. You get 16. It's also simple on the left, as long as you remember this. Multiplying by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by 2 over 1. Multiplying by fractions, you don't need to find a common denominator. So when you multiply straight across. My numerator would be 2x. My denominator, the 1 times 2, or just 2. And then I can simplify, crossing out the common factors of 2 in my numerator denominator. I'll get x equals 16. Remember, when you're solving these equations, whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. So when we saw x divided by 2 and we wanted to undo it by multiplying by 2, we had to make sure we did it to both sides. Both sides of the teeter-totter, we doubled the weight. If you double 8, you get 16. If you double x over 2, or double 1/2 of x, you get x. So x equals 16. We can easily check this answer by plugging it into our original equation. 16 divided by 2 does equal 8, so our answer checks out.